Hello everyone, my name is Brady Hazlett. I'm an application engineer here at 3M, and today I'm going to give you an overview of the 3M Performance Spray Gun, starting with what comes in the kit and finishing up with cleaning up the gun after an application. First thing that comes in the kit is the spray gun body itself. It comes with a little protection on that needle, that foam cover. Also included are 3 bags, 5 packs of each of the 3 top coat sizes. So we've got the 1.2, the 1.3, and the 1.4 tip sizes. Along with that in the kit, you've got the PPS Series 2.0. It starts with the hard cup, as well as 5 refills of liners. There are 4 refills of the 200 micron lid, as well as 1 of the 125 micron. There are sealing plugs for that as well. Also in the kit, you'll find a replacement locking collar. That's just a spare. The air valve and gauge, that's going to be included, as well as the manual for the gun, and another reference, which is the quick start guide. Next, we'll get that gun set up for use. First, remove that protective covering and grab the tip size you're going to be using on your application. It helps to pull that trigger back, press that nozzle firmly onto the body, and then rotate that collar all the way to the stop. Once that's connected, you can go ahead and attach the air valve. Do that by hand threading on the swivel, and then use 1 wrench to tighten it. Since our shop is set up with quick connects, I'm going to thread that on, so you'll have to use whatever connects you to your air source. Now that we've got the gun set up, we'll take you onto the booth and show you how it works. Next, we'll set up the gun